Chairman, I see that your 5 minutes is up, and so
Whitaker did say this.
And I have not interfered in any way with the special counsel's investigation.
He played Daddy Warbucks in Annie.
I'm a businessman. I love money, I love power, I love capitalism. I do not now and never will love children.
British actor Albert Finney has died, best known for that role, along with Tom Jones after playing lawyer Ed Nasry and Aaron Brockovich. He won 3 Golden Globes, an Emmy, and 2 SAG Awards, was nominated 5 times, never won an Oscar. Albert Finney was 82. This is Fox News.
Trending now on News Radio 830 KHBH.
I'm Julia Norton-Dennis. A Kauai woman missing for a week is alive and safe. 40-year-old Emmy Oka was found stranded in a densely vegetated ravine behind homes in Kamehameha yesterday. A resident called police after hearing a woman screaming for help. Authorities say Oka was dehydrated and lost some weight but was not hurt. Hawaiian royalty descendant Abigail Kavanaugh says she is very fine and capable of conducting her own business. The comment came in an 8-minute video released yesterday by her attorneys. The 92-year-old Campbell Estate heiress also says she has an obligation to the Hawaiian people, but that her hands are tied. It comes in response to a fight in probate court over her fortune, estimated at about $200 million. Her competency has been challenged and claims made that her wife has been exerting undue influence in an effort to enrich herself and reduce the funds the heiress's trust had promised to support Native Hawaiian programs. Someone is stealing bark from trees in Manoa Valley District Park. The Department of Parks and Recreation says it's received about a dozen complaints of trees being stripped of their bark. Some people have reported seeing people using a machete to harvest the bark at night. The city says removing bark from the park is against the law, and the vandals could face a fine and jail time. Arborists say Pacific Island cultures use the bark for medicinal purposes. The tree also contains the hallucinogen chemical DMT. The National Weather Service is warning of strong winds and possible coastal flooding in the North Shore is under a high surf warning until Monday morning. Waves expected to be 20 to 30 feet today, heights possibly reaching 60 feet on Sunday. For the News Radio 830 KHBH News Center, I'm Julie Norton-Dennis.
Stay up to the minute online at khbhradio.com.
This segment brought to you by BePreparedForWhat.com.
My name is Tommy Waters, and I'm ready to represent Hawaii Kai to Alamana on the Honolulu City Council. I humbly ask for your vote in the new election to be held on April 13th with mail-in ballots going out on March 21st. I stood by our community in asking for answers to ensure a fair and accurate election for the people of Council District 4. I'll stand with you every day to build a stronger Honolulu. Aloha and mahalo.
Equal by the Tommy Waters, 4300 Lilac Avenue, B502, Honolulu, Hawaii, 96816.
The Mitsubishi AC Weather Center.
High surf warning north and west shores, high surf advisory east shores, mostly sunny, breezy, high near 79. Tonight, partly cloudy, breezy, low near 65. Tomorrow, partly sunny.
This report is sponsored by the podcast Red Pilled America. I'm Patrick Carelchi.
And I'm Adriana Cortez. And we're the hosts of Red Pilled America, a new storytelling podcast.
Red Pilled America tells the stories Hollywood and the mainstream media don't want you to hear. Visit the iHeartRadio app to listen to Red Pilled America.
From Fox Business Network, stocks are losing ground with renewed concerns about the trade dispute with China. Walmart wants to decorate your home. It has launched a new online home brand called Modern, but without the E. Walmart says visits to its home site have increased 35% over the last year. It'll sell sofas starting at $700 and beds starting at $599. Walmart says they'll sell styles that reflect retro glam, refined industrial, and Scandinavian minimal styles. A major drugstore chain is being accused of violating restrictions on selling menthol cigarettes and cigars to minors. The FDA says it has issued more than 1,500 warning letters and 240 penalties against Walgreens stores nationwide. Parent company Walgreens Boost Alliance says it's taking disciplinary actions and training store team members. With the Fox Business Report, I'm Priscilla. Get up first thing, smoke a cigarette. Before lunch, after lunch. Now that I'm talking about it, I kind of feeling like I've lost about 4 hours of every day. I decided I needed to find an alternative. So I started looking, and then Juul came up. I did both for a while. And eventually I just switched over, and it's very quick.
Mimi made the switch July 2015. Make the switch at JUUL.com. Warning, this product contains nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. Rick Hamada and Scotty B. Only on News Radio 830 KHDH. Man, there's a lot going on there. Yeah. Boils down to it, it's a game of gotcha. The way that the questions are being phrased and the demands of having anything that will lead to further investigations, hearings, etc. Adam Schiff, again, he stated, right after stating, we are launching investigation. Yep. The line of questioning now with acting AG Whitaker is about collusion and Rosenstein and what was purported and what was stated in private meetings and this. And Whitaker's going, that's none of your business. I'm not legally compelled. This was a conversation that had substance in regard to my office and what was moving forward. I don't have to answer that. And I'm not going to. Good for him. There are certain, because what they're querying about isn't private meeting regarding ultimately a legal proceeding. Fascinating. Yeah. What's going on? I say we just take the rest of the morning. We just run this. Let's listen. I love it. Bring that in. We're at 7:42 and dialed in together. Plenty on the agenda today. I hope the winds don't get too tough.
I'd like to apologize for the windy, rainy weather, because, you know, I haven't been playing golf very much, but had planned on Sunday. So, no doubt in response to my tea.
What's the tea time? I'm sorry. What is that again? I put my club next to the front door. I have the shoe rack and my club, and the wall where my door is, right? I walk in and out, and I see my club sitting there, right, doing absolutely nothing. And I was trying to, during the holidays, I was trying to